That was your summer.
Sorry, I mean, I don't have a lot of free time. How about you?
Yeah, I know what you mean.
What is that?
Hey, what?
What? What is that? Dude, what is that?
Hey! Hey! Hey!
What is that? What is that? Dude!
Dude!
What is that?
Man, dude!
Oh!
Dude, what?
Where'd it go?
Dude, what?
Dude! Dude, what was that?
Oh my God.
Oh! Dude, I really think that was a unicorn that we just saw.
Dude! My mom gave me a unicorn book for Christmas, and I'm
No way.
about it.
Are you serious?
Dude.
You gotta find that book. Do you know where it is?
I'm not. I can't find it. I don't know.
Is that it?
Yeah!
Dude, you got it. Let's go.
Alright. Bigfoot, Abominable Snowman, no. Loch Ness Monster, no. What is...
Dude, what does that say?
Unicorns tend to bring thunderstorms.
Yo, it's raining right now. Oh my lord.
Alright, let me keep reading. Unicorns like to sleep in fields.
There's a field right over there, dude.
Dude.
Oh my lord. What?
There's a picture of it.
There's a picture.
Oh my
lord.
God. Dude.
Dude, there's a picture of the unicorn. We need to get in that field, dude.
Alright,
Dude, we gotta go check that field out, dude.
Alright,
Let's go. I really hope we see this thing, dude.
I know, me too.
See anything?
No, I don't see anything.
Dude, what is that? Dude, where did...
Dude, it's not here anymore.
Dude, it's not here anymore. Dude, what is that? Dude, where did it go?
Again? Are
This thing keeps getting away, dude. Dude, there it is! No! Oh, we lost him. Oh man, where'd he go?
Man, we were so close.
Dude,
that time.
I really wish we would have gotten that, dude. It was so close.
What the?
What? There's just a trash can. What?
What? Wait.
What?
Why is it?
Dude, what?
What? Go.
Dude, what?
I'm just gonna go. I'm just gonna go hit it. Come on.
Dude, where is it? What? Dude.
There's not even anything in it.
What?
What the? Dude.
Dude, oh my. What? Oh.
I can't believe we were that close, man.
It was crazy. We almost had him. What?
Dude, we were
just there.
What? Hey!
He's too fast for us. Oh!
This terrain isn't for my kind. Oh my God.
I feel we're gonna get him soon, dude.
Again, like, we're so close. Like, I know we can get him. Oh my God. So how's your summer?
It's good. Don't have really a lot of time. How's yours?
It's good.
Did you read anything else in that book about the unicorns?
The unicorn book?
Yeah, the unicorn book.
I mean, oh, dude, there was that one thing that said that they love Doritos and they can't swim.
Dude, I love Doritos.
And I can swim.
I can swim too.
Dude. Oh, alright, we got it. Dude, did you find the Doritos?
I'm looking. Oh, here we go. Got some Doritos.
You got it? Alright.
Go set up the bait.
Okay.
I'm just gonna make a trail to the pool. Alright?
Alright, man.
This is gonna work, I know. We're gonna catch this unicorn right now, dude.
Alright, man. We got it. Alright, dude. Get in the position.
I'm gonna go get in position.
Alright, man.
He'll never see me over here.
Alright, man. When I say... I don't know. Alright.
In 3, 2, 1.
Dude, we got him!
Dude, we got him!
Hello! Yeah, boy! Yeah!